If you're over 50 and you've been working hard, but you're not seeing the results you expected, there's a good chance you're making one of these mistakes. The good news is that every one of them is fixable. I'm Coach Jose, and I've been helping people for over 30 years with fitness and making their life better, getting stronger and healthier one day at a time. Today, I'm going to share the biggest mistakes I see people over 50 make, and more importantly, how to fix them. Let's get started. Mistake number one, thinking that walking is enough. Now, before anybody gets upset at me, I love walking. Don't get me wrong. I'll walk every day. It's just part of my fitness routine, okay? Walking is one of the best things that you can do for your heart, your mental health, and your overall health. But walking alone isn't enough. After the age of 50, we naturally begin losing muscle. And muscle is what really protects our joints, if you think about it. It keeps your metabolism stronger, it improves our balance, and helps you stay independent, which is so important after the age of 50. And that's why strength training becomes so important. Even 2 to 3 days a week with a pair of dumbbells can make a huge difference. Mistake number two, not eating enough protein. Wow, I see this all the time. People work hard in the gym, they bust their butt, they go early, they hit it hard, then they come home and they don't eat enough protein. You know, your muscles don't really grow while you're lifting weights. Your muscles grow while you're recovering. Protein gives your body the building blocks it needs to repair the muscle. So try to include a quality protein source with every meal. Things like chicken, fish, egg, Greek yogurt, and lean beef. Protein isn't just for bodybuilders. It's one of the keys to healthy aging. Mistake number three, doing random workouts. I love this one. One day you're going to follow someone on YouTube, and the next day you're going to hop on TikTok. And then from there, you're going to go to Facebook and see other posts from another workout. Look, random workouts create random results. Instead, follow a simple plan. I want you to stay consistent and just repeat it, and definitely track your progress. That's how people get stronger. Mistake number four, ignoring your mobility. Strength is important, but if you can't move, well, you won't move well for too long. Your shoulders start getting tight, your hips start getting stiff, and your ankles have poor mobility. These things make everyday life a lot harder. Spend just 5 to 10 minutes every day stretching and improving your mobility. That's probably one of the best things you could do. You'll move better, I promise that. You'll feel better, and your workouts will definitely improve. Mistake number five, trying to train like you're 25 years old. You don't have to prove anything. Just train smarter. Use good form, recover properly, and sleep enough. Leave your ego at the door. The goal isn't to impress anybody at the gym. The goal is to stay healthy and strong so you can enjoy your life. Mistake number six is never challenging yourself. If you're lifting the exact same weight for the exact same amount of repetitions, month after month, your body has no reason to improve. Progressive overload doesn't mean lifting extremely heavy weights. Sometimes it's just adding one more repetition. Sometimes it's adding 5 more pounds. And sometimes it's simply just improving your form. Small improvements can lead to big results over time. If you only remember one thing from this video, remember this. Don't try to change everything overnight. Walk regularly, strength train consistently, and eat enough protein. Work on your mobility, recover well, and then repeat. That's how you build a stronger body after 50. If you like a simple program that puts all this together, I want you to take a look at my 30-day MAVERICK program. I designed this specifically for adults over 50, using nothing more than just a pair of dumbbells and a simple plan that's so easy to follow. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to Strength After 50. And let me know in the comments, which one of these mistakes are you working on right now? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.